New Shepard NS-36. Blue Origin successfully launched a New Shepard suborbital rocket, booster designation NS-4, also called Tail 4, with the NS-36 mission from the Blue Origin Launch Site 1, Culberson County, Texas. This launch flew the crew capsule includes Jeff Elgin, USA, Danna Karagussova, Kazakhstan, Dr. Clint Kelly III, USA, previously flown on NS-22, Aaron Newman, USA, Vitalii Ostrovsky, Ukraine, and a sixth not-named member. The flight took place on Wednesday, October 8, at 13:40 Coordinated Universal Time or at 8:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The capsule used for this flight is designated CC 2.022 Reusable Spaceship First Step, RSS First Step. This mission is the 15th human flight for the New Shepard program and the 36th in its history. Lifting off from Launch Site 1 in West Texas, New Shepard performed a brief 10-12-minute suborbital hop above the Kármán line. The booster carried out a propulsive landing at the North Landing Pad, while the crew capsule landed under parachutes in the Texas desert. This marks New Shepard's 8th mission this year, doubling the total flights carried out in 2024. New Shepard. New Shepard is a fully reusable suborbital launch vehicle developed for space tourism by Blue Origin. The vehicle is named after Alan Shepard, for being the first American to travel into space, also being the fifth person to walk on the moon. The vehicle is capable of vertical takeoff and landings. Additionally, it is also capable of carrying humans and customer payloads into a suborbital trajectory. New Shepard consists of a launch rocket and a crew capsule. The capsule can be configured to house up to 6 passengers, cargo, or a combination of both. The launch rocket is powered by one B-3PM engine, which sends the capsule above the Kármán line, 100 kilometers, 62 miles, where passengers and cargo can experience a few minutes of weightlessness before the capsule returns to Earth. The launch vehicle is designed to be fully reusable, with the capsule returning to Earth via 3 parachutes and a solid rocket motor. The rocket lands vertically on a landing pad 3.2 kilometers north of the launch pad. The company has successfully launched and landed the New Shepard launch vehicle 29 times with 1 partial failure deemed successful and 1 failure. The launch vehicle has a length of 19.2 meters, 63 feet, a diameter of 3.8 meters, 12 feet, and a launch mass of 35,000 kilograms, 77,000 pounds. The B-3PM engine produces 490 kilonewtons, 110,000 pound force, of thrust at liftoff. Corn Ranch, Launch Site 1, LSO. Corn Ranch, commonly referred to as Launch Site 1, LSO, is a spaceport owned and operated by Blue Origin which is located approximately 48 kilometers, 30 miles, north of the town of Van Horn, Texas, United States. The 670 square kilometers, 165,000 acre, plot of land was purchased by Jeff Bezos in 2004. The company uses the spaceport for testing and launch services for its New Shepard rocket. The launch site has a suborbital launch pad and also has a number of rocket engine test stands. The engine test cells are at the site to support the hydrolox, methalox and storable propellant engines that are used. There are 3 test cells for testing the methalox B4 engine, 2 of which support full thrust and full duration burns, and 1 that supports short duration, high pressure preburner tests. The spaceport also includes a vehicle processing facility and an astronaut training facility. The company's first human spaceflight launched from Launch Site 1, LSO, on July 20, 2021. The flight, dubbed NS-16, carried its founder Jeff Bezos, his brother Mark Bezos, test pilot, and Mercury 13 member Wally Funk, and Dutchman Oliver Deman on a suborbital flight aboard New Shepard 4. Blue Origin Enterprises, LP. Blue Origin Enterprises, LP is an American space technology company headquartered in Kent, Washington. The company operates the suborbital New Shepard rocket and the heavy-lift New Glenn rocket. In addition to producing engines for its own rockets, Blue Origin supplies engines for other vehicles, including United Launch Alliance's Vulcan Centaur. It is also working on the Blue Moon human lunar lander for NASA's Artemis program, the Blue Ring spacecraft platform, and the Orbital Reef space station in partnership with other organizations.